Hello, kindergarten. Our social studies lesson today is all about community helpers. Our learning target says that we can explain different jobs in a community and tell why they are important. Community Helpers by Karen Jones. People that live in a community have different jobs and responsibilities. Each job is important and helps the community in a different way. Let's read about some community helpers and learn why their jobs are important. Police officers are community helpers. They help to keep us safe. Firefighters are community helpers. They help us by putting out dangerous fires. Doctors and nurses are community helpers. They help keep people healthy and help us when we are sick. Dentists are community helpers. They help us keep our teeth healthy and strong. Veterinarians are community helpers. They help keep our animals healthy. Teachers are community helpers. They help us learn new things. Principals are community helpers. They help to take care of our schools. Soldiers are community helpers. They help to keep us and our country safe. Pilots are community helpers. They help by taking people places. Bus drivers are community helpers. They help by driving people where they need to go. Mail carriers are community helpers. They help by delivering letters and mail. Delivery people are community helpers. They help by delivering important packages. Truck drivers are community helpers. They help by moving big things from place to place. What if we didn't have doctors, mail carriers, or teachers? How would our community be different? Every community helper and job is important. They each help a community in different ways. Okay, boys and girls, this is your activity page for today. You are going to write the word on the line to match the picture of the community helper. If you don't know how to spell the word, for example, firefighter or teacher, the words are in this little box right here. And you're just going to take the word and write it where it belongs. You can also color the community helpers if you would like to. And don't forget at the bottom to do the quick check. Have a great day. Bye-bye.